Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So today I'm looking at a 2021 KZ Escape, and the reason it's here is the owner said that they went out to a relative's or a friend's house and they ended up popping circuit breakers, but after the fact they found out that they actually plugged into 220. So this is just a reminder of, make sure you're plugging into the proper voltage. So Zach's in here making his notes. So hey Zach, what did you find today?
So I went through, tested all the outlets, tested all the appliances, ran the AC, ran the TV system, the whole shebang. Where I ended up finding issues, the converter's no longer charging the batteries, or the battery. He only has one battery up there. The battery itself is no good. Refrigerator went into fault mode, so I went and checked the fuse. There's a glass fuse, little tiny guy, for the control boards for the 110 volt side. Obviously this one is blown, and so I put a new one in there. Same issue. I now have power through the fuse, no power out to the heating element. Tested the heating element itself, and heating element is also bad. So heating element, control board for the refrigerator, converter, and battery.
Oh yeah.
Solve his issues. Yep.
So he got really lucky because
Yeah, he did.
a lot of times when consumers come in and they say, hey, I plugged into something I shouldn't, or they've gone through and they've, plugged into, again, they took like a washer dryer plug and converted the outlet, going from a 220 to 100 and to trying to go to a 110 plug for the 30 amp side. They can wipe out just about everything. So his microwave's still working. So the microwaves usually go out first, along with the refrigerators. TVs usually go bad. Air conditioner control boxes, or the control boards.
When these guys plug in like welding plugs or dryer plugs or make it work, it can be catastrophic. You can fry
Everything. Yeah. Even we've had some in the past where it's actually melted the 7-way cords in the J box, wilted back behind the converter itself in the panel. So we'll get him all squared away. It looks like Zach's getting his information together. Then the ladies in the office will help put together an estimate, and we will turn it into him so he can turn it into his insurance company. So remember, if you end up having some kind of electrical issue like that, it is considered an accident. So if you have damage like this, make sure that you reach out to your insurance company. And, it happens all the time. I'm not going to say once a month, once a week, but quite a bit. So, all right. Well, hey, thanks again for watching, and we will talk to you soon. Dustin and Zach, your RV Specialist.